So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. So in today's video I am going to show you a pencil character design. So I'll do some versions of this pencil character. First I'll do the base, that is the pencil, and then I'll copy 3 more on which I can do my other designs. So here in the first character I'll first draw the eyes, mouth without any nose and 2 hands. Okay, keeping it very simple because on other character also I need to design. So this is the base character I have done. In the second one I'll do the eyes very small, the dots eyes, and the hands I'll put it like this, little different. And for the third character I'll do upside down and design the character accordingly. So I kept the eyes and mouth and then the hands. This is little different. These are the variations I am doing. So here in the fourth character I kept the eyes little up outside the pencil and see whether it will work or not. Okay, these are only the roughs I am just doing out of the box. So you can also do all these things, experiments. These are a rough stage and you can explore whatever is there in your mind. Don't restrict your mind. Okay, so whatever it is coming to your mind, just go on that and draw your character. No boundaries. So here I have designed all my 4 characters. So after doing, I'll do some cleanup just for the sake of video, because I need to work on this character. If I am doing any character means I need to spend more times. So in this small video of around less than 20 to 30 minutes I can't design my character because it takes more time. I need references and all the things. Okay, but whatever there in my mind, I'm just putting all those things together on my character. These are only for the tutorials for the beginners who are struggling to design their character. As you can see, I'm not taking any reference right now. That is not the process actually. You need to take some reference before designing your character. Okay, so take the reference. I'll show you more videos on how to take the reference and what are the materials you need to collect before designing your character. So for the time being, you just concentrate on the video and just watch it. It's not like I'm not teaching you part by part, step by step. It's not like that. Just watch it and you will get the information and your mind will catch the thing which you require. So go through it and see how I am designing my character. Okay, and that style also you can grasp. I'm just doing the cleanups were required. And in the cleanup stage also, if you think you need to change the character, you can do it in any stage, okay? But the only thing is that you should not change the character totally, okay? Whatever thing it is coming to your mind, like if the character which you want to design is totally different from what you are thinking, then you can make another rough character and then you can work on that, okay? So rough is more important. On that you can do small changes. That is the thing you should keep in mind, okay? And detailings, you should take the reference again, and you should practice the hands, body, eyes, nose and mouth by watching the reference from any site. Like Pinterest is there. If you will search for character design, you can find, or you can search in Google's as well, okay? So go through the reference first and just copy those characters. After copying many characters, slowly you will understand which type of features or which type of drawing, maybe like hands or legs, you need to draw on that particular character. You can do that one. After practicing repeatedly, taking reference from Google or any image, you can get an idea which type of legs or which type of eyes, hands are required for your character. So you need to practice by watching the reference only. That is the video for today. I hope you will like this, and after watching this you can also take the simple character and put the simple things first without going with the legs and any other things. Like if you want to take one character, I'll tell you, that is a football, maybe you can put the eyes without nose also. You can create your character only eyes and mouth and hands. If not, that also okay. Only eyes and mouth is more than enough. Just create and try to give 3D look. Like you can put the shadow on the ground, and eyes expression is must. Even though you are not giving more things like hands, legs, nose, but if your eyes expression is good, then your character is ready. So draw more eyes expressions, small, big, normal, eyeballs, right and left. More styles of eyes you can practice. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Bye, take care.